Practice English listening. The birthday party. It's a sunny Saturday afternoon, and Mia is filled with excitement. Today is her 8th birthday, and she is having a big birthday party at her house. Mia loves birthday parties because she gets to see her friends, eat cake, and play games. She quickly puts on her favorite pink dress and runs downstairs. In the living room, her mom and dad are busy decorating the room with colorful balloons and streamers. A large banner on the wall reads, "Happy birthday, Mia." There is a big table covered with a bright tablecloth and filled with snacks, juice, and a beautiful birthday cake with 8 candles on top. "Good morning, birthday girl," her mom says, giving Mia a big hug. "Are you ready for your party?" "Yes, Mom. I'm so excited," Mia replies, her eyes sparkling with joy. Her dad smiles and says, "Your friends will be here soon. Why don't you help us finish setting up?" Mia nods and helps her mom place the last few balloons around the room. She arranges the plates and cups on the table and makes sure everything looks perfect. Soon, the doorbell rings. "They're here," Mia says excitedly as she runs to open the door. One by one, Mia's friends arrive, each holding a brightly wrapped present. "Happy birthday, Mia!" They all shout, giving her hugs and handing her their gifts. Mia thanks each of her friends and places the presents on a small table next to the cake. Once everyone has arrived, Mia's mom gathers all the kids in the living room. "All right, everyone, let's play some games," she announces. The first game is Pin the Tail on the Donkey. Each child takes a turn being blindfolded and tries to pin a paper tail onto a picture of a donkey on the wall. Mia laughs as her friend Alex pins the tail on the donkey's nose. Next, they play musical chairs. Mia and her friends walk around a circle of chairs while music plays. When the music stops, they all scramble to find a seat. The last person standing is out. The game continues until only one chair is left, and Mia's friend Emma wins the game. "That was so much fun," Mia says, clapping her hands. After the games, it's time for cake. Mia's mom lights the 8 candles on the cake and brings it to the table. Everyone gathers around, and Mia's dad starts to sing, "Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you." All of Mia's friends join in, singing loudly and happily. When the song is over, Mia closes her eyes and makes a wish. She takes a deep breath and blows out all the candles in one go. Everyone cheers and claps. "What did you wish for?" asks her friend Lily. Mia smiles and says, "It's a secret. If I tell, it won't come true." Her mom starts cutting the cake, and each child gets a big slice. "Yum. This cake is delicious," Mia says, taking a bite of the fluffy vanilla cake with sweet strawberry frosting. After eating cake, it's time to open presents. Mia sits on the floor with her friends gathered around her. She unwraps each present with excitement. Her friends give her all kinds of wonderful gifts. A new doll, a set of colorful markers, a board game, and a cute stuffed bear. "Thank you so much, everyone," Mia says, feeling so happy and grateful. The rest of the afternoon is filled with laughter, dancing, and playing. Mia and her friends have a great time together. They dance to their favorite songs, play with balloons, and tell funny stories. As the party comes to an end, Mia's friends start to leave. "Thank you for coming to my party," Mia says as she hugs each of her friends goodbye. "I had the best birthday ever." "We had so much fun, Mia. Happy birthday again," her friends reply as they wave goodbye. After everyone has left, Mia sits down with her mom and dad, feeling tired but very happy. Thank you for the wonderful party, Mom and Dad. It was perfect, she says. We're glad you had a great time, sweetheart. Her mom says, giving her a kiss on the forehead. Happy birthday, Mia. We love you so much, her dad adds, hugging her tightly. Mia smiles and hugs them back. I love you too, she says. As she heads upstairs to her room, she thinks about all the fun she had with her friends and how special her birthday was. She can't wait to tell her friends at school all about her amazing birthday party.